some people will put stop loss there. When they turn stop loss hit, they will propel, they turn from buy to be a seller and plus, so the market will move very quick down. But whatever, it seems to be they're fighting now. There is weak long tail sign of rejection in the low time frame. They start to fight, and we can only see from here by to look at the wick. So this is what New Zealand cat and Aussie cat. Aussie are stay on the sideways, not like this. Compared to Aussie and New Zealand are more weak. Aussie still strong, hold their ground, and but it's more like the same, only this channel down, but this is range. It's a little bit different, but they are fighting now. We keep eye on until we get to the New York Open. So this is Aussie cat and New Zealand cat. New Zealand are the most wicked so far in this. USD cat also, look at it here, going up and rejection very quickly. What happened? We're looking up for the upper time frame. Daily just start. After they break, nobody can get in yet because they move so quick. Only these people who quickly change their mind to grab in the first time the sign of buyer coming in, like seller push the last try. I don't know if they last try, but if this is the buyer market, this should be, when they break this, there should be a first set of a test. First test of the test, not go through. Second test, not even a second test because it's not break clearly see enough. This is the second test. So this is the first set. Second test come very strong and follow the sequence of the stochastic, and then okay, the sequence okay. But anyway, second test, no sign of the green yet until they come to this level. The greens respond. First time fail, they hit their tone, they fight back, then doesn't let go. Seller can push the price down with the discount price more, but discount price more this time is look like they push a lot here. The volume and everything still a lot mean I don't know until this guy slowly come, the volume everything the same, and the divergence a little bit, this is down a little bit or almost parallel, but this one is different. It is pointing way up, and the green coming in, and the red seller trying to stop at before they get through this level, and then that means the last chance of the seller, they fell. The buyer get searching with this green everywhere. Look at this, there is divergence. So but anyway, this guy not stopped yet. They give the last fight, but there's no sign of this seller. They're gone. The seller is gone. They're not interested at this price to fight. They let the things go up, and last chance for the pullback buy trader. So when they see this pullback, and for those conservative, no, I'm not getting here yet, I'm wait, and this second turn, that's the last time that you're gonna come with me or not. This is the last train, last chance to jump on and then get up to here. This is where they are just breaking out, and not many people get in here, and they're waiting for the get in. But where is the discount price? This discount price should be somewhere around here. Since they're searching so fast, and the pullback will be not so far, so I will give my ask price here. So Approximately when they touch here, I will get a signal to ring the bell, and this is the highest price where it should be the area of concern. I put the thing in as well. I will learn how to use this thing better, as and bid, what it means, and so on. But anyway, this line, I'm not gonna make them to make the decision for me. I just put the guideline to see if they come. I have a good look what they're up to, who gonna take the lead. And like here, rejection is so strong, rejection. Who gonna keep buying on this thing when they see this? I'm not. I want to see more clarity, the test. No test, no trade. And this look divergent. This is going down, this is going up, and boom, divergent already start. From this beyond, don't do anything yet until it's very clear that you find the direction to go with the big boy. So USD CAD at this time, no sign of whatsoever who own these trades. Even higher time frames, like nothing. It's just one candle of the red. Reject the buyer. Discount price, big time. 1 month. Okay, 1 month. Clearly that it's come close to the area where they have to do something to respond. Otherwise, the market would just go through this and kill this guy and make overall time high. Overall time high. That's the word. And it will not happen anytime soon. They have to fight, and they already start with the first red candle of this month. That's monthly candle. And monthly candle, look, do they have any test? If this market belong to the seller, then where is the second test? Reformation. First test that look like more like a test, they not let go. They push down, even though the end of the thing is Shopee, very undecision. They don't know if they have more strength to keep carry on to push the thing down. And then the buyer left this area price, and they put back the push, trying to get through the center line of the Bollinger Band, and they get through. They kill this guy, and that's not the change of direction that it will be a buyer market yet until they crash, kill this guy, and then we're talking. And now they bridge over this guy, we're talking, and then the job is to get through this level, but they cannot go to right one shot yet. They have to pull back, storage the power, or let the market to have a chance to jump in, because some people want to get in with a lower price or discount price. With this, the fight here, they're not getting yet until they get a clear signal that this guy is being taken out. Whoever trapped here will release and will not give a problem to the process to bring the market up. And once it is hit here, many people get released and stop loss hit, and all happening make the price turn back, pull back at just a little bit. That show how strong of this moving is, so much strong, so the pullback can be shallow. That's what it happened. Shallow moving back because they seem to be desperate or what. We look at the volume coming. They have to have a momentum. In this guy release and pull back and give a clear signal that nothing gonna be this problem here. Everybody gone, and some people are run away or catching money out and let the market move further on to challenge the next level. And this is what test 1 and test 2 start to begin. if it's not go, and test 2 if it's not go right yet at the first go, and second go not going for the second in this set. So this become a set of set 2. They're trying to going down, but the pullback is fell. So set 2 pull back to get storage, to get a good better price, and then bring the price down furthermore to make low, but they fell. So pull back failure. They failed to do their job, and their job, when they fail, they had an issue here, the next level. This is not easy to just to move with one candle, and they need many candles. This is monthly. Okay, we go down to weekly. Weekly is showing a little bit more. So the seller stepping in at their level, they have to show something. This is what I need to say, that the market will not go anytime soon. They will have to take time to take a test. So no one owns the market, more likely like the monthly who owns this market at test 2 phase of the seller to push the market down. If this test 2 is still not breach this guy who responsible for all the moving down here, if he's not taking out, this market belong to him, and this is starting. And even though it's too long time to call a set 2, but set 2 never can bridge over any level yet, so it's still sideways market, or to trying to make a set 2. Maybe they're dashing out and make a bull trap. People think the market is gold, but still he's not taking out. For lower time frame must thinking this is green, let's go. But one day reach to the good level, good price of this guy, he will smash it down, and that's what is about to happen. That's a monthly, weekly, daily. Okay, sideways market is a long many days, and this is, look at here, divergent. It's not following. This is going down, this is going up. That means somebody just panic or whatever. They're trying to make a trap. Okay, they're fooling people. But if you know that this is divergent, this is the real way of the market want to go. It's just a few candles that's moved this up, it cannot count for ATR or whatever to calculate. The real direction is downhill. So divergent from now on, from this guy, have to be very careful if you want to take a decision to pull the trigger and want to push the market down. Stop loss has to be so tight if it's not going to get out very quickly. But if divergent point down to low as much as they touch this 100 MA, the purple line, the magenta, and my yellow line is ready for say, okay, this good price that I can think about to buy again, because this price is so high in the sky for what is called a good discount price. So this is the daily of USD CAD. Let's go put it back to 4 hours, because this set is for 4 hours. So 4 hours just sideways market, so many days until recently showing that seller step back in, and they haven't get their any test yet. So far it's just sideways market underneath this square of range, and it's this buyer show first time fell, and buyer show second time fell, a little bit more, no higher high, fell, A little bit more, no higher high, fell. But where is fell to? The seller doesn't take any action. Why? They're not interesting at this price. I think they want, they're not desperate enough. They want to go, but why not to wait a little bit? Because there is some people want to buy here. Let them buy. Maybe around here when the market come, I like to be selling where it's selling a bid price or a ask price. I think bid price. Okay, some new words to learn: bid and ask. Where I put here, yeah, on the top side of the range, but they won't go. If they want to go down more, according to a very strong move, the pullback will be shallow. What if I move my line? Can I move it all? I can't move. Okay, anyway, let it be. Or I delete. Can I delete? Delete. And put again. If it's not going to go so shallow line, it can go just only around this price. Let's see. Bid line. Okay. Put it there. On top of the range again. Why I put on top of the range? I don't want. I want on top of this range, because they will come back to. Oh no! I close it again. Because they will come back to get a better price, and this guy has to be guarding, like security. You not go further beyond me, otherwise I give you problem. So there's my line. Otherwise I give you problem. When they touch here, they ring me my bell. I look at it accordingly. Alright, the task is done for putting the alarm in there. So USD CAD is the 4 hours. Yes. No, nothing interesting, because no test 1, test 2. They just a sideways market. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. By Thursday, Friday maybe, but you never know. This London, this New York market may be open up a new big impact, and they can move. But anyway, a quick look at the Bitcoin. I like to look at the gold too, but it's too many. Gold is up high in the sky, not touch anything yet. Bitcoin, okay, look at this. Something happening in Bitcoin. 4 hour time frame. This is the level of the 4 hours. When they touch my line, the bell will ring. I think they will touch at this New York open market. And what do? I have to plan ahead. So look at this. They're trying to going up, and this is the test. The test come too strong. So bridge this guy, pull back a little bit, shallow, trying to go further to make low, but not possible. He's dead. When the buyer step back in, push the price with few candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the middle of this 50%, and then second leg challenge him, and the third leg challenge a little bit. Where is he? He have a chance to try it here. First time, second time, third time. Where are they? You're gone. Buyer going. Those guys who waiting for the pullback, when they see the pullback the first time, not in yet. Going up, this pullback second time. Oh no, pullback so hard. I'm not getting. But coming is, oh, the buyer coming back. But look at the divergence. It's not following, and then pulling back. Buyer coming back, not even make higher high, and the range begin from there. And this is the signal of divergence. So the divergence had happened. Behind here, the divergence is going down, so we're looking for smack down the price whenever they come up. So the price coming up, smacking down. Smack, price coming up, struggle, price coming up, second try, smash them down to this area. And the buyers still try, move the price up, and can never reach over this guy to make a higher high. And whenever they come reach to here, smacking them down to make the money level to the lowest they can, to challenge this lowest, the guy who's responsible for this move. And now is being squeezed because the guy, he not giving up, he doesn't throw his ball away, he want to play, he fight back, he play his turn. The seller also said, this is my territory, so they squeeze everything down to the bottom of the range. That's where we are now. That's where we are. On the Bitcoin, yesterday, day before, I keep eye on, look at this. Many times enticing me for me to sell. And I ask, why do I sell? Because it is close to the MA 100 and 200 together, lining up and flat range, and the second the first test, and they will come for the second test inside this range. And I say, I want to sell, but if I sell, I'll work money, but it's not clear why I want to sell. I have to come up a better explanation, because this is a big range, and the range trying to squeeze the price down to make new level, break out from here. But the buyer are also strong. I looking for pullback buy or pullback sell. Within a two test, I see no test, only squeezing the square, so it's ambiguous, it's not clear. I don't know if this guy will respond as he do it here the first time, and the second time, if he do, maybe it's only can up to here. And if I buy, this guy will smash it down. If I sell, I only get the money from here. It doesn't worth to try. So this guy is not anytime soon I will make any decision on this. Okay, that's how the CAT sequence group. This is the CAT, a sequence of it across the board. CAT. I should put CAT together with CAT. Let's do this. I put Aussie there, CAT here, so easy to compare, because CAT in the front, and when they go, so I know the CAT have to read up. Going up, the CAT is strong, but the CAT JPY is like stay in the middle of the range. 4 hours area, key level, that they have to smash him down if they are show the sign of weakness. And I'm waiting for that. CAT switch front is up compared to, it's like opposite CAT JPY, CAT switch front. So it's not correlate, but as you know, JPY is one exclusive. You have to look at JPY in special way. Okay, all the CAT is behind. So the GBP weak, Euro weak, according to CAT behind this. Aussie weak, CAT is strong here already, but still holding the ground. This is the level of the 4-hour price. They need to show something here. If they're not, next level break. Okay, so this is Euro CAT, and where is the GBP? Let's go together. Euro and GBP are look more like the same. Okay, they are sister pair. Aussie and New Zealand should be together. Where they put Aussie and New Zealand. Okay, I put here first. Aussie coming here. Aussie, New Zealand, Aussie, New Zealand, Bitcoin, CAD, USD. They are same geopolitical area, geographic. The money too, they are twin sister pair. Okay, this is 4 hour of this sequence for CAD pair. So CAD is strong against all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair. CAD becomes strong. They be able to push. But which one is the weakest according to CAD strong? You see the big candle start to move. I think it's now the time is what is it 3 o'clock? Yeah. London market open yet? Let's look at the time. I see the candle activating weird and strong. Maybe that is the time. Okay, 1 minute to go. New York market open. And this is the guy who started CAD, Aussie CAD. Aussie and CAD is on the go first in this sequence pair of CAD set CAD group. Aussie going down first, but see if they can holding their ground. Let's see if they can holding their ground. I look at the big single picture and it is must hold their ground. CAD, what is it? No, this is Bitcoin. Sorry guys, this is Bitcoin. Where is I go back to the sequence. Aussie CAD, I want Aussie CAD, not Bitcoin. Here Aussie CAD, they move a long way. Follow it. New Zealand, Aussie and New Zealand are moving before anyone else. Okay, let's go one by one. Aussie CAD, this okay, touching the level low bottom line of the range, and I would like to put the alarm. Okay, I need to do alarm for me, please. When they touch there and when they touch here, I want to know, because I'm not going to be here to watching this pair fighting. So this is the USD CAD moving first. At 4 hour you can see obviously. Look at 1 hour, you will get scared because it is red. Okay, don't panic. This is the higher time frame trying to say I want to go this way, follow me. Waiting for the next pullback. Okay, I'll come and pick you up. I will not go leaving without you, but if I come back to lift you up, you better jump on. Okay, that's what is translate to in my term of understanding. Okay, that is what this pair. Aussie CAD. Let's go back to the sequence and Aussie CAD. Aussie, where is the sequence now? Okay, Aussie CAD is here. Australian dollar is here. Is any pair in the CAD pair compared to Aussie CAD look alike? More only New Zealand. Okay, Aussie and New Zealand going together. Why not give a look, give a peek to New Zealand too? Okay, they are come too close to this guy who's gonna give them problem. I put the line already there. Let's see what it happened. The Aussie and New Zealand are twins pair, or not twin, sister pair. Where are you? Aussie CAD there. New Zealand CAD there. Only New Zealand is like one direction and pull back. Look at it. Same Aussie. Okay, they are look more or less the same. Okay, let's go back to the sequence. And Aussie and these are the same. And this is 4 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. Okay, before we go, just a quick recap that every line touched where the sequence of the price level where the 4 hour need to be respond. Okay, that's, let's see, just a quick have to look. So let's go back to see the sequence. And all of New Zealand 4 hour, we know approximately everything is just about to cooking. And this is the New York market opening. If I want to go to 1 hour to see just a quick look at the 1 hour CAD, what happened to 1 hour CAD, a whole sequence. Let's see. And I have to wait a little bit for the loading up. And now look at how this thing go. Look like who is strongest move. Aussie CAD in the before Aussie was here. New Zealand CAD is here. Okay. Oh, I did a mistake again. I have to leave it. New Zealand CAD, Euro CAD. So that's what happened. I destroyed my whole setup. I have to take a pause before I come back. Alright, you see now the parties begin. New York market is open. CAD, Aussie CAD is moving first. New Zealand CAD, Aussie CAD, New Zealand is the twin sister, is also moving. New Zealand CAD moving, follow up with GBP CAD is also moving. GBP CAD, New Zealand CAD, Aussie CAD. Okay, all of these CAD are correlate, so they are moving now. Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD, GBP CAD, so okay. And Bitcoin also, look at Bitcoin. Okay, I should have look at Bitcoin also, guys. They are moving. Now, don't do anything yet. We wait until the decision making. We have to use the skill to figure out which direction the big buyer taking. Right now, it's just the opening market, and we shall go and look at the news, what happening. Meanwhile, they're taking decision. Okay, we go to the market, and this is need to be refreshed today. And Euro conference speak at 12 o'clock. That's maybe influence something, but not as much as US 1430 CPI. US CPI is good. US CPI are green. CPIs are green, guys. So to go to the detail later, I'm not gonna have time for that, but I see only green. The US green approximately is good to go to make a decision that USD, we need to look at USD pair and if they affect and make USD strong. If USD strong, what happened? We have to concern and read the market accordingly. In the next 45 minutes, Fed Charlie Powell will tariff speak in the next 45 minutes. And 1630 crude oil inventory. If you trade oil, this is the one that very important that you need to waiting for. So the rest is like 16:30, 18, 19, 20, 22, 22 o'clock. Still coming the new like auction and everything. So this let it be. We come back from time to time to this and go back to the chart. What happened? My chart. Okay, they're getting more and more enticing for people to jump in, not to be a FOMO. Since we know this is the chart for the cat. The cat is almost the last pair that I will check. The last pair is gonna be for today. Is the last pair is, I haven't checked the Australian yet. Aussie I will do okay, 4-hour sequence also. Let's see the 4-hour sequence. Let it loading up. And what happened? Floating. Bitcoin also interesting, but they got something cooking. 1 hour shot, 4 hour shot. 4 hour, remember the 4 hour is the key level where the 4 hour need to jump in, and not just the 4 hour. I can see here my purple line is the week, the monthly also there. And we just take a quick look at Bitcoin. Are having an issue of trying to go down further. Okay, that rejection zone here. I don't know what is down there they're doing right now. We can just a quick look for 15 minutes, and that's 15 minute rejection is coming. If you have to sell now, you think this level will not hold, then you sell. But if you think this is the level for the 4 hours guy to step up, to buy from the lower bottom of the range, that's the spot where the idea that this price will be smashing up. Look at this. This is 1 minute. They're going to fight back first try, and the second try pull back to storage. The power keep holding the ground and grinding up, inching up, and stop here. This is the price gauging momentum. Need to learn how to use this skill to gauging this momentum. The momentum is belong to the higher time frame. The higher time frame, the nearer it is the 4 hour time frame right here, and that's where we are now. If the price go through this magenta or the purple line or the yellow line where I put, or the signal ring the bell, that means it has to be more precaution to wait and see who gonna take the direction move beyond to the favor. So for me, it's still fighting, and now it's 3 o'clock, 17 minutes after the New York market open. So we still have half hour the Wall Street following, and then 16 o'clock coming the news, and so on. We have to look at it again at 16 o'clock, see how the graph doing, which side is taking control. Okay, and that's Bitcoin. I close Bitcoin down, and I will go back to my original interesting, and I close Bitcoin. I open this up. Okay, we are back on Aussie, the last sequence today, since we do all of the sequence. Aussie 1 hours, Aussie New Zealand is up. Aussie Swiss franc up and down, but still up, just a pullback, and we have to look in a single shot in a minute mode. The MA, under the MA, all is up. Aussie the first pullback, Aussie Swiss franc first pullback is looks strong, scary. Why they come so strong? Aussie JPY pullback, but pullback downhill. Okay, this pullback uphill, pullback, not even pullback for the Aussie New Zealand, not even pullback for the Aussie New Zealand. It's just a strong wick, long tail. Its price is searching up for Aussie stronger than New Zealand. Aussie Swiss francs. Aussie yesterday was strong, struggling, not big promising candle to moving up, but anyway, the buyer let them going up, and now at London, at New York, they don't let it up, and American money, US dollar, is strong, so maybe that's the reason they pull back this big strong candle. And Aussie cat, the Aussie cat, we was in the cat before, he is in the lead of them all, strongest pair to move the market down. And back to 4 hour of this guy. 4 hour guy have to respond. This is my key alert line. I put already there, but it's not ring the bell yet. Aussie USD also up, but pulling back very strong. At 4 hour time frame is the key level where they need to be respect. Otherwise, range will be break and turn to be channel, like pull back shallow and go further down to make lower low, lower high. So Aussie JPY, Aussie was up in this morning and until now pulling back with not so strong candle, but to compare to those other guy like Aussie USD, Aussie JPY pullback is less strong than Aussie USD or Aussie cat. Aussie cat is even, I don't know, is the bottom of the range, and it look like really a range. Anyway, next, GBP New Zealand. GBP New Zealand is weak yesterday and the day before, but today from the London, GBP start to gain back his control by trying to breaching the first level, and then still not away from the danger of the sell being in a seller territory. So they have to go a long way or they will give up, pulling back right now to fight at this range, first possible range level. If they go a bit up higher, I will call that something that have to be precaution to look through the correlation again if the GBP set are strong across the entire board. Euro Aussie is like going down. Euro is weak according to Aussie, like the other pan, like a GBP, where the sister pair, and they're moving up good sequence correlation that now they're pulling back or they will retest, but there's no sign of test 1 test 2, so I have to open the chart single mode. Oh, what I do? Okay, it's still there. I have to fix this again. I can't believe it, wasting time. Okay, Aussie New Zealand. Aussie is just like a long tail, like a signal for, a sign for rejection zone, rejection candle. So that means Aussie are strong, but where is the higher high? That's the question. Okay, no higher high. What happened? I want to see higher high. Is if they want to pull back, since they break out from this zone is quite strong, I would give a halfway pull back, which is where they're gonna be at this guy tail. I put the sign signal on to alert me around this area. Okay, it's been safe to alert. That's Aussie New Zealand. Normally I don't trade on this pair, just to use as a compare, brother and sister pair. Okay, the next Aussie New Zealand, the next is Aussie Swiss franc. Aussie Swiss franc on my radar for many days. They seem to be break out from this to compare to every pair across the board. They break out very strong, stronger than another pair, and suddenly they just reject with the 1, 2, 3 candle, and that was look like really strong. So pay attention for this move and looking for the test 1, test 2. If they keep strong coming down, so cancel this, that they will go up north, they will go down. If they coming like this kind of candle, always from to do the test 1 and then coming down, and the test 2 coming down like that. The test for the seller, not the test for the buyer. The buyer is already struggle. You see how long time they're trying to go up to kill this level, the guy who responsible for the seller, and they just got it the first time, and then dashing down with the strong response. That means they're waiting for such a long time. They are desperate to against this, desperate but not strong in the candle, in the volume, to go up here to challenge many small doji and long wick and tails. So one push come to my territory price, I like it. The seller said, I give you a discount. Okay, have anything more to buy? I have money more to buy. That's what he said. And the buyer have to respond, because they come this far. Come on, they're not gonna give up the throne that easily. So this is the story about the 4 hours on Aussie Swiss franc. Aussie Swiss franc all my later, and now I thought they're gonna go that far, but they can't. So show me more on this level of 4 hours, where the seller who waiting on 4 hour time frame, waiting a long time, since I don't know how long. Once they got it, they climax, they thirst, burn the desire, put the big red candle right away, showing I am here. You want to buy something more? I have more for you. Show me you want to buy, then I sell for you. They're looking for a buyer for a long time. Look at the weekly. Okay, weekly is like overextending price. Monthly even worse. Okay, overextending price is seller market big time. Only three bottom. First bottom rejection, second bottom rejection, the third bottom not yet reject, but it's holding underneath there on the bottom of the chart. Okay, that is about story about a month, 1 month and 1 week. You can see a little bit more detail. We're looking for test 1, test 2, and the possible way of the chart to say something to us that we can make a decision. So where is the test 1? Okay, if it's a seller market, test 1 should go up this way. This is called test 1. And test 2, no, even not test 2 yet, they still go on sideways on test 1 group. We give it a set 1 instead. The coming up more, challenge this guy who started. This is called set 2. See how they're moving up? Are they strong moving up? No, they are choppy. And this is what the key issue that you have to looking for. When they are not strong enough, you take a risk. Stop loss not so far away, and then take profit at the first level, and so. One is come back again, they push it, so you know now it's the second time, and the last time maybe they will take it again or not, because sideways market begin. At least this is the high level up in the week. It's a lot to look in the low time frame. So this far from here to here is enough distance for you to play, to make small money, small taste just to be in. And you have to keep in mind that the market belongs to the seller, even though they're trying to standing their ground, not let the price go through. That's why my price should be alert me please when you come here. Alert me please when you come here. So this is the key level that I also been waiting for. I'm not gonna watch the chart, but I will let this ring me, alarm me when I come to this level. It's very high in the sky, I know that, but just in case I'm not watch this card chart, when they ring I know to watch them. Okay, that's the weekly of the Aussie Swiss franc. They've been waiting for so long time to have a price smashing down at the level and the top of the MA. This is 200 MA, this is 100, touching 200 MA. Time to think about in the lower time frame. It being touched, are you gonna sell or not? Let's go to lower time frame, and this is what happened. The first sign at 4 hours where our trading time frame is begin, and if you know it's begin with the strong intention like this, according to the level or volume, and according to the how you say, this is the divergent. According to the divergent from down here, from the first, see the differential like long tail wick, and boom, show that this wick make the divergent. The price cannot follow this, it go further than this. The price say I want to go down, most majority want to go up in this way, you know, and this one is like fooling people, trapped in here. And now they got the price moving back up, channeling this guy get through without any effort. Come to this level, no seller. Why? Maybe they see the diversion too. Many people buy and they run away. The seller are run away until this crucial level where I need to put my alert for this. When they touch my key level hit, I will look at it again. So far we come up to Aussie Swiss franc, my radar time frame. Aussie CAD. Okay, so Aussie CAD is like no direction, sideways. If this gonna be test 1, test 2 for this guy, the price must not cross here. This is level after level, the seller trying to penetrate through, control. This is the strong level, and I can't wait. I will put here. It look like today I want to see if they touch here, because it's 4 hour time frame. If they don't touch here in the next 2 hours, that means the price will possible to stay in the range or move back up according to the level, because the now is London market, no, New York market. One is the market getting fizzling out, no thirst, no power to push them more to go down, even though it's perfectly set up like we test 1, test 2, and test 2 need to go up but fail. So pull back, failure. V formation, pull back, want to go up to higher than this price by coming down to get a better price, and to go over here for the test for the buyer. They test if the seller will kill them, they can manage to come back just where before, but beside they get a rejection. Test 1 is not true. Now they go with the test 2, and the test 2 cannot deny. This is the big candle. Test 2, why test is so strong, coming too strong. I have to concern about this. Don't do anything yet. Patient. The test 2 come to the level that they like, and their job is to go through this by weaving to trending to, like level to level, zigzag up or whatever. They need to get through here, but they are not. The seller are way too strong. Come in almost halfway, smashing down a little bit. Want to test? Are you sure you want to buy? I give you that much of the discount. The buyer say, okay, I buy, but I buy you that much. Give me more discount, please. And when he buy to here, seller say, okay, this is my level. I give you a discount price. That much I can give. And you want to buy still. I want to kill this level. You don't want me to get me let through. You come with a strong candle. That means you have more money to buy. Okay, I understand. So I'm selling you, and tell me if you want to buy more. Yeah, buy more, but where are you buying? Are you joking? No, you keep nothing. And then here more discount price for you. Will you buy it or not? The buyer say, test 1, and now I have in the set 2 of my test, I get a little bit better price, and I break out from this V just a little bit, so my pullback can be that deep. At least this guy still hold. The next guy is my yellow line, and is the bottom of this guy, and that's what I'm waiting for. The discount price for test 1, test 2 not complete. How can they move up? They will move down. So this is why moving down is not my favor, because they're moving down so strong. That's what is for hour of the Aussie CAD. Next, Aussie USD. Trying to remember what I said before, and if I can remember, I will manage to be ahead of the movement of the chart. So Aussie USD, Aussie CAD and USD are sister pair somehow. Let's check if they are sequent in correlation. This level breaking out, they got the leg in, but pullback are so strong compared to this thing, and but still it's the first time to get out. They need to get something from the try hard, so they managed to put them all to sell this discount price. Try their best. They have so much to upload, and they do this, and the buyer buy this price, and they release this guy, upload this thing. The buyer keep buying and controlling, breaching everywhere memory from the past. No response for whatsoever. So little ding here because it's coming close to this area where the main key level. This is the last stronghold. This is the next after the chef. This is the second chef. This is the third chef. The sheep command whatever. Then he got breached. They got all breached until here. So now they shall put in the buyer test 1, test 2. They are in the set 2. Still seller are not let them go through. Compared to this guy are coming back or not, according to this 1, 2, 3 try of the big red and red and red, but they're very strong level here. I want to see if I want to get through here. I need to be confirmed. Either I wait to buy when the things come down here, test this guy, not go anywhere in this sequence of small square here, to test this guy, and he shows sign that he cannot go further. Then the price come back to a mid of here sell. That's the strategy that I would thinking of doing a sell on Aussie CAD. But Aussie